Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fathin Zulaikha Binti Hishamuddin, and today I will be explaining about module 2, which are georeferencing, create shapefile and digitization. First of all, the objective of this module to be able to perform georeferencing, to be able to create shapefiles, to be able to digitize, and to be able to edit attribute table. And there are 4 parts in this module, which are part A, georeferencing, part B, create shapefiles, part C, digitization, and part D, map layout. For module 2, after opening your ArcMap, drag SMK Sultan Abu Bakar and load NDCDB Pahang to table of content. After that, right click at the maps and turn on the georeferencing tool. After that, click at the georeferencing and turn off auto adjust. Now right click at SMK Sultan Abu Bakar and click zoom to layer. After that, go to Windows and click viewer, and finally go to load NDCDB Pahang and click zoom to layer 2. Right now, our maps look like this with viewer on the top of the maps. Right click at load NDCDB and choose properties. After that, choose labels, click label all features in this layer and choose load. After that, click OK. As we can see here, all the lot at the lot NDCDB Pahang has been labeled. After that, click zoom to layer. Now, we will go to our next process, which is georeferencing our maps. Position our maps as comfortable as possible for us to georeferencing them. When you are done doing so, click at georeferencing. Before that, make sure that our maps is SMK Sultan Abu Bakar and click at the georeferencing tools. Now we can start our georeferencing process. We have to choose at least 5 points to be georeferenced. Continue the process carefully. Now we have done georeferencing all the 5 points. After that, click georeference and click on update display. After that, click at view link table. Make the bigger, and we have to make sure that our RMS error is less than 1.0. After doing this, click on georeference and click rectify. Save our folder as SMK Sultan Abu Bakar and make sure the file in TIFF format and click save. Now our georeference have been saved. We can click zoom to layer to see our final look of our maps. That's all for the georeferencing process in module 2. Now we can save our module for next part of module 2. Now we are going to learn how to create new shapefiles in our map. First of all, right click at your folder under folder connection and choose new shapefiles. After that, name the new shapefiles as educational underscore building underscore A and choose the features type as polygon. After that, click edit and choose WGS 1984 to be inserted to our new shapefiles. Now click OK. Now the educational building A has been added to the table of content layer. After that, right click at our maps and turn on the editor tool. Now click start editing at the editor tool. After that, click create features at the end of the editor tool. After you have clicked on the create features, a new tab will appear at the right side of our map. This is educational building A, and at the construction tools, choose polygon. Now we can start digitizing our educational building A, which are on SMK Sultan Abu Bakar. Click at the arrow with 2 points on editor and start digitizing the buildings. This will take time as you are going to draw on the top of the shapes of our building.
Finally, we have done digitizing our building. Now click on editor and click save edits. After that, click on editor again and click stop editing. Now, when we have done digitizing our building, we are going to learn how to edit the attribute table of educational building A. So, open the attribute table and click on the symbol like newspaper at the left and click add field. After that, put the name as FCD and choose text for the type and click OK. Now go to editor tool and click start editing as we want to add text at our attribute table. Name the FCD as BE0010. After that, click stop editing, save your edits. Then click again at the newspaper like symbol to add new field again. Click add field and name our field as FNM and choose the type as text. After that, click OK. When it has appeared, click on start editing again and put Educational Building A in the FNM input. After that, click stop editing and save your edits. This is the new edited attribute table for our Educational Building A. Save our project for the next part of Module 2, which are map layout. For map layout, first thing first, click on the view and choose layout view. Now, our map's gonna look like this. Adjust the layout as you wish. After you are satisfied with the result, click Insert to add features to our maps. First of all, click on North Arrow. Choose the North Arrow that you want and click OK. After that, position it to the location that you feel satisfied with. After finishing doing that, click on Insert and choose Title. Insert the title as SMK Sultan Abu Bakar and click OK. And position the title at the top of the maps. After you are satisfied with the position, click Insert again. And choose Legends. Click Next and click Next again. Click Next again. Click Next again and click Finish. Now the legend will appear and we position it at the bottom of our maps. After that, click Insert again and choose Picture. Choose Picture from our files. I want to add UITM logo to my maps, so I choose UITM logo from my folder. Position the UITM logo as you wish on the maps. After that, click Insert and click Text. Insert the text that you want be at our maps. After that, position the text at the place that people are going to easy to see. The text that I choose to insert in my maps is created by Fathin Zulaikha _ my student ID. Finally, click on Insert again and insert scale bar. Choose the scale bar that you want and click OK. After that, you can position it on our maps. And that's all the feature that will be added to our maps, and this is the map layout view. This is the final look. We have the title, we have North Arrow, we have Legends, Picture and Scale Bar. And finally, save our project. And that's all for module 2 part. Thank you.
The first practical highlight question. Determining the right map scale is crucial for creating map. Discuss the statement. First of all, there are two types of map scale, which are bar scale and variable scale bar. And it is important to determine a right map scale because map scale is used to determine the extent to which a geographic region has been reduced from its actual size. For example, since people who are using maps surely unsure about the location that they are going to, it is important for a map to have a right scale to avoid them from being lost. Next, it also to help the map reader to determine the distance on the map. Second practical highlight question. Compare the effect of having large and small scale on map with an example. The answer is a small scale map covers a larger geographic region while a large scale map covers only a relatively small geographic area. For example, a world map is the example of a small scale map, while 7.5 minute quadrangle map is the example for a large scale map.